Hey everybody, this is Ralph chilling out on a very cold day, and in this video I want to talk about the Home Business Academy and some of the major updates that I've seen with this company in just the last 2 years that I've been a member. And of course, the Home Business Academy has been around much longer than that. It's been around for 10 years, paying 80% recurring commissions without monkeying with the commission plan, without changing the percentage. It's always been 80% commissions that they paid out, and three of our products are recurring commissions. Now, when I first started, we didn't have three products that paid recurring commissions. We only had two products that paid recurring commissions, and I thought those were pretty darn good just by themselves. We had the funnel builder, which does everything that the high price funnel builders do, but ours costs $25 a month, pays $20 recurring commissions, and is packed with training. I mean, they've got a lot of training in there. Of course, the fast start training, how to get started quickly and start making money as an affiliate, how to use it to promote your other businesses, things like that. It's a very robust and versatile funnel builder. And they also have a bonus vault, which is yours to keep even if you decide to drop out after your first 30 days. So you got the regular training in with the funnel builder, plus the bonus vault training, which is yours even if you decide not to stay. So, I mean, that's a pretty generous offer. And yeah, I was very happy with that. And then somebody said, why don't you add a training about how to create your very own affiliate program? And I thought, that's asking too much. And one of our other leaders in the program said, that's asking too much. These guys give a lot of value. Well, one of our owners, Mike Hobbs, replied back to that person and said, sure, give me a few days. I'll shoot some videos. I'll teach you how to do it. I'll show you how we do it. And yeah, within about a week, they added that comprehensive training and they made that a part of the funnel builder package. So, I mean, a lot of training, a lot of value. And this funnel builder does everything that the high priced ones does. $300 funnel builders, $200 funnel builders. Ours is only $25. And I mean, you get a lot of extras with it. Now, the second thing that we had was the traffic and conversions training, and that is 5 trainings every week, 5 live trainings which are recorded Monday through Friday, costs $125 per month, pays $100 recurring commissions. And they've had that one going, I think they've had that one going for about 10 years. I think that's even older than the funnel builder. But then, about a little over a year ago, they added a third recurring income stream. And this is a more affordable level. This is what we call the Let's Goal app. It's a personal development app, fits on your smartphone. You can use it on your computer too. And it helps guide you through a morning routine to help you set goals, attain your goals, be more focused, and be more effective in your daily routines. That costs $10 a month, is all, pays $8 recurring commissions. And people can join at any one of those levels. And I mean, when they added that, I thought, well, okay, that's good. That's our update for the year. Probably won't see any more exciting updates. Boy, was I wrong. About 4 months ago, I think it was around October 2025, Mike and Paul, our two owners, Paul especially, hit us with a surprise. Paul took about a year to learn how to code. He got with AI, he learned how to code, he learned how to do, AI coding. He learned how to recode the entire website that we had previously and redesign it to be more compact. Before we had, I think, 4 or 5 different sites that you had to access in order to get one function of the program or another. Now it's all pretty much been combined on one app. We got the one app that's got everything, and then our funnel builder that has everything else. And that's it. A very nice, very compact. Plus, they added a lot more updates to the program. And I think in the last 4 months, really, I've lost count, but I think we've had like 50 updates, 50 improvements. And the big thing is that since Paul learned how to code, that puts him in a position where he doesn't have to hire an outside coder to come in and address problems and try to make updates for us and probably not get the job done like they want the job to be done. Now Paul is able to do that all pretty much by himself. And anytime somebody has a bright idea, or he has a bright idea, or his co-owner, co-founder Mike has a bright idea, they decide, hey, why don't we implement that and just have it as another update? And it seems like every other day when I'm logging into the app, it's like there's an update there. So I mean, these guys are really active in keeping this program current, up to date, and value packed. They have added a lot of value to this entire program. And they've been around for 10 years. 10 years paying 80% recurring commissions. I don't know about you, but I've been in this space for longer than 10 years. And I've seen a lot of programs come and go in that time. I have never seen a program that pays 80% recurring commissions. Recurring meaning you get paid month after month after month for the life of every customer that you bring in, for every qualified sale that you make. So you don't get paid commission just once on these recurring packages. You get paid over and over again for the life of your customer. So that means you don't have to be scrambling to make sales every day. You bring in a customer, and if the customer is happy with the program, they're happy with the tools, they're happy with what they bought, and they like it enough to stay with it, then you get paid month after month after month for that customer. And every customer like that you bring in. So instead of busting your tailbone to be making sales, to be having commissions come in on a regular basis, you can eventually work yourself into a position where you are getting paid for the work that you did in the past. Not out there actively, promoting like you used to. I mean, I'm still going to keep promoting just to keep growing, but right now I'm promoting at a more aggressive speed because I want to build this up. I got a plan to be earning 7 figures, and yeah, I've got to get moving on that. I'm a little bit behind in that goal, but I'm sure with this offer, with this program, with this commission plan, and the quality that we have, and the integrity of the owners and the community, that this is doable with this community. And that's my goal, 7 figures within a year. So we'll see how that goes. But I know I've got the right vehicle. I know I've got the right mindset now. And I know I've got the right mentoring and support. So yeah, this program has been fantastic. And it's been growing for the 2 years that I've been in it. And I know even before I got into it, they were making updates and just keeping this thing going full speed ahead. I mean, so far we've paid close to $7 million in commissions to the affiliates, and a portion of each sale goes to feed hungry children. So yeah, we provided a lot of money to affiliates and a lot of meals to hungry children around the world. So it's nice to know that you're part of a program that has a deeper cause than just making money. And the last update that I'm going to talk about, I will close on this, is that Mike and Paul got together. They created a new sales page that brings together all three recurring income streams that we offer, plus talks about, the academy, the community, our charity outreach, what we do about, and how we go about feeding hungry children. And then they talk about the three recurring levels that you can join at. You can join at all three, or only one, or only two, whatever really floats your boat, more or less. But yeah, you can start wherever. But we have a special deal where for $35, you can get in at the $10 Let's Go app, the $25 Funnel Builder level, plus get 2 weeks free of the $125 a month Traffic and Conversions Premium level. So you can get all three income streams for only $35. And that includes the highest level that we have for 2 weeks free. And then after that, it rebills at $125 a month unless you cancel. So it's a great way to find out, to see what we have as far as our $10 recurring income stream, our $25 a month recurring income stream, and our $125 a month recurring income stream, which all pay, well, $128 in commissions total. But the $10 level pays $8 recurring commissions. The $25 level pays $20 recurring commissions. And the $125 level pays $100 recurring commissions. So you make a sale you make two sales at any one of those levels, you are in profit at that level. You get two customers to go all in at all three levels, you're in profit. So, 80% recurring commissions. That is powerful. And when Mike and Paul first started this, they talked to a lawyer. They showed him the commission plan. They showed them their business idea. They wanted to make sure everything was, going right, legal, everything like that. And the lawyer said, "Yeah, everything looks great, but this 80% recurring commission business model, I think you're being too generous. You may want to cut that back a little bit." Mike and Paul thought about it and they said, "No, we can do it. We can make it work with paying 80% recurring commissions." And by God, they've been doing it for 10 years straight. And how do they do it? Well, how do Mike and Paul make their money? This is what really impresses me. They don't sit back and collect money from the affiliates like a lot of other businesses do. A lot of businesses, business owners, they create the business, they bring in the affiliates, they bring in the customers, and then they just sit back and let the money roll into them. That's not how Mike and Paul operate. How they make their money is they sell the program as affiliates themselves. So essentially, they're doing more work than the average affiliate, but they're getting paid pretty much just like every other affiliate, earning recurring commissions for every recurring sale that they make. And so they know that the commission plan works because they profit from the same commission plan themselves. So the owners are affiliates as well, and the affiliates, of course, are affiliates. And it's like we are all one big family sitting at a round table. And we've got a lot of masterminds, a lot of goodies in here, but I really have only scratched the surface of all the value that we have in the Home Business Academy. If you would like to check it out for yourself, I'm going to put a link to the new sales page that Mike and Paul made just a few days ago. That'll be down in the program description below. Click it, check it out for yourself, and see what you think. You'll hear all about the Academy. You'll hear all about our community. You'll hear all about our charitable outreach, feeding hungry children. You'll hear about the Let's Go app the $10 recurring level, pays $8 recurring commissions, the funnel builder level, and the traffic and conversions level. All that information plus a lot more. So check it out down below. See if it's right for you. And if it is, welcome to our community. Be happy to have you. Ralph signing out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.